If you still have the previous file open from the last video, we can continue along. And if not, just open up the prototype panel file in the Chapter 2 exercise files folder. Now we're using the same file just to illustrate the coding panel and what happens in here. So because we don't have anything selected, we have the background, and it's telling us the hex value here for the background of this canvas. And so you can see very quickly, if you were to be programming in CSS, you can grab some quick code to place into your design files. And same with iOS, you have this RGBA background color or Android. So you can quickly change that, or if you want to click on this code, this gives you the CSS properties. So now you have background colon and then the color, and you can quickly copy that and paste that into your development project. So that's simple enough for the background. But now if we click on some of these other elements here, I'm going to hold down Z and just zoom into this login page. And let's double click on this login button here. So we can see very quickly we have the width, height, and then left and top padding here. So very easily we can click and select this, paste this into our CSS files. Same thing with iOS or Android. And we can get some table views here or the code view. And this really can happen with almost any object here. We have this pin drop. I'm going to do the same thing. And because this is SVG, it kind of gives you this view where you can copy and paste this. And with images, again, you have the position, the height, left, right, and it'll give you the file name of that image. So if you're designing anything in Figma to then code later, or if you want to give your design files to your developers, make them aware of this code panel, because it'll likely save them a lot of time trying to guess certain colors or different font styles by just jumping in here, grabbing these, and applying them to their code. Now I do get a lot of questions about Figma being able to convert your whole design into code. And although it doesn't do that as far as the entire design being placed into code and structure it, this is still really nice for your developers to take these little snippets of code or information and code and structure the code themselves.